So hello, this is Vatsal from PySpiders Rajajinagar. So one of our students got placed and he's going to explain his experience. Yes.
Hi, I am ASHUTOSH. I am from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. I am from 2023 pass out. Did my BTECH in CSE from Trident Academy of Technology, and I got placed. So what really helped me was the presentation and the mock interviews that was on regular intervals. That really helped me a lot, like in improving my communication also and my technical skills also. And moreover, the training on all the subjects was very good, especially Python trainers. So that's all.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.